So guys, are you beginners in makeup and looking for a quick and easy eye makeup looks? So guys, don't worry, you can create amazing looks with just a cotton swab. I am showing you 2 makeup looks, so let's get started. So first of all, prepping your eyelids. I have already applied primer and set my eyelids with concealer. I am using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 385, which matches my skin tone and is great for covering under eye dark circles. Next step is setting your eyelids with setting powder. Now we are creating crease. Create crease dots, take a cotton swab and dip it into a deep brown shade from the Too Faced chocolate palette. Lightly dot this shade along your crease line. This is quick and easy technique that only takes a few minutes. Now take a black eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner of your eye in a winged shape. Now I am taking a metallic shade from the Naked palette and apply it to the center of your eyelid. This adds a beautiful shimmer and is perfect for daily wear. Start blending the matte brown shade in your crease using upward motions. Blend outwards, not inwards, to give your eyes a lifted look. Now I am applying it to the outer corner for your eyes to sharpen the edges of your makeup. Now I am going to blend the middle metallic shade. It feels lighter, but don't worry, I will add some later. Then blend the black shade on the outer corner for a smudged eyeliner effect. Blending with a cotton swab may take some time, but the results is stunning. Now I am reapplying the metallic shade to the center of my lid for extra pigment. So guys, for adding depth, I am taking the black and brown shade and I am applying it on my crease area. As you can see, it pop up my eyes and it gives a depth and dimension to my eye. Now I am removing the tape from the outer corner of my eye for a sharp and clean look. Now I am applying the metallic shade along my lower lash line and dragging it from the outer to the inner corner, but stopping short of the very inner corner. Now use the black eyeshadow on the outer lower lash line, blending it forward with the cotton swab. Now clean up the eyeliner area with concealer for a polished finish. Now I am applying highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner with a highlighter for adding some glow. Next, I am curling my lashes and applying mascara. This is my favorite step. I am using the YSL Lash Clash mascara, which is one of my favorite right now. Whenever you are applying mascara, don't ignore your lower lashes. For a final touch, I am adding some glitter from Wet n Wild to my eyelid to make the look more glamorous. This smoky glam look is quick and perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. For the second look, just like the first look, start by prepping your eyelids with primer and concealer. Now use the same deep brown shade from the Too Faced chocolate palette this time and place the dots slightly below your crease for a more elongated eye shape. Blend the brown shade to create a soft shadow that gives your eyes subtle depth. Now apply a metallic shade to your eyelid using a cotton swab or your fingers if you want stronger pigmentation. Focus on the center of the lid. Now I am taking the black eyeshadow and apply it along my upper lash line, starting from the middle of the lid to the outer corner. Use dabbing motion for a smooth blended look. Apply the same black shade to the outer corner of your crease and blend it slightly outwards to soften the edges. When blended with the brown shade, it creates a seamless transition. Remove the tape for a sharp finish. Now use a brown gel eyeliner on your waterline for a softened look. Add a small dot of black eyeshadow to the outer lower lash line and blend it with the brown shade using a lay down motion. Now it's time to curl your lashes and apply mascara. I am using the same YSL Lash Clash mascara. Sometimes people ignore their lower lashes, but lower lashes is very important, and don't forget to apply mascara on lower lashes because it pop up your whole eye look. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner with a Wet n Wild Rose Gold highlighter for a soft glow. So guys, this is the final look. So both of these looks are easy to recreate even if you are a beginner or don't have proper makeup tools. All you need is a cotton swab and a few good eyeshadow palettes. Let me know which look you like more in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.